In this video, I will demonstrate different parts of the microscope with their specific dedicated functions. This is the eyepiece. It can be 10x or 15x power lenses. Function: the eyepiece or ocular lens magnifies the image produced by the objective. Since it is closest to the eye, so it is termed as eyepiece lens. It is placed near the focal point of the objective to magnify the image. The amount of magnification depends on the focal length of the eyepiece. Over here is the body tube. The microscope body tube separates the objective, this is the objective lens, and the eyepiece, and assures continuous alignment of the optics. This is the coarse adjustment knob. It allows for quick focusing by moving the objective lens or stage up and down, or to bring the specimen into general focus. Fine adjustment knob. It is used for fine tuning of focus, and thereby it increases the details of the specimen. It is used to fine focus the image when viewing at higher magnification. Here comes the stage. It is the platform where the slides is placed. Over here is the vertical arm. It supports the body tube. This is the inclination joint. It is used to tilt the body tube and stage at different angles. This is the base of the microscope. It supports the microscope and where we find the illuminator. Mirror. It is used to reflect the light from the source up to the bottom of the stage. Now, iris diaphragm. It adjusts the amount of light that reaches the specimen. You see, I am adjusting the light. You see the aperture, change in the diameter of the aperture. So it changes the amount of light, it adjusts. Now comes the condenser. A condenser is a system of two or more lenses to receive parallel light rays and to converge these rays onto the object through the iris and the hole present in the stage. These clips are used to hold the slide in place. Here is the hole. It permits the transmitted light from the source to reach the stage. Now the objective lens, it can be 10x, 45x or 100x. 100x is the oil immersion. It is closer to the specimen. Nose piece, it holds the objective lens. This part can be rotated to change the objective lens. Okay. Now in my next video I will demonstrate how to use this microscope with specimen, how to hold the specimen and how to visualize the specimen. Please go through the demonstration again and again before actually going to view the specimen, because these parts are very important, and description which I have given to you is the most precise description ever.